What happens when you take the most powerful diesel truck in America and give it to the team at Shelby? You get a vehicle that costs more than a supercar and has enough torque to move a mountain. This is the 2026 Shelby F-250 Super Baja. It's the first redesigned model from Shelby's new, state-of-the-art facility. And with only 250 units being built, it's rarer than most Ferraris. It's loud, it's lifted, and it's arguably the most aggressive truck on the planet. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today, we're finding out if this is the ultimate heavy-duty toy. Under the hood, Shelby chose not to mess with perfection. They've utilized Ford's 6.7-liter high-output power stroke V8. You're looking at 500 horsepower and a staggering 1,200 pound-feet of torque, while the engine remains factory stock to keep that full Ford powertrain warranty. Shelby adds a functional air induction hood and powder-coated exhaust tips to give it that signature roar. It'll tow 22,000 pounds without breaking a sweat. But thanks to the 10-speed torque-shift transmission, it's just as comfortable cruising at 80 miles per hour on the highway. The Super Baja name is earned in the suspension. Shelby replaced the factory gear with a King Race Series system. We're talking 2.5-inch, adjustable front coilovers with finned reservoirs for cooling, 2.5-inch rear piggyback shocks, and dual King steering stabilizers. Combined with 37-inch BF Goodrich tires and 20-inch two-tone Shelby wheels, this truck doesn't just drive over obstacles, it deletes them. And if you run into trouble, the chase rack in the bed carries 2 full-size spares and a new 9-pod power-actuated LED light bar that can turn night into day at the flick of a switch. Inside, the Super Baja reminds you exactly where your money went, based on the fully loaded Lariat Ultimate. It features exclusive top-grain leather seat covers, with Shelby embroidery and custom carbon fiber trim throughout the cabin. You get billet racing pedals, deep-tinted windows, and the official Shelby CSM serial number plaque on the dash and in the engine bay. It's a tech-heavy office that includes Ford's 5G Wi-Fi and a B&O sound system, ensuring you're comfortable while you're conquering the wilderness. The 2026 Shelby F-250 Super Baja is a rare breed of truck that's just as much a collector's item as it is a workhorse. With only 250 being made, would you drop $160,000 on the ultimate Super Duty? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for DRX AUTO MOBI. I'm your host, and I'll see you at the finish line.